Come on, get into it, girl. Get your butt wiggling. Remember, she wiggles her butt too when she does it. She's getting sleepy now. Huh? What other dance do you do? With this one. Do the other one. That what's her name does. How about Iris? What does Iris do? Okay, do the Ruby Gloom. Up.